Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a shopping list on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the second icon down below. And now click on create a list. Here you should type in the name of your list, such as shopping list. As you can see, you can save items for later, and all lists are private unless you share them with others. Then tap on the button create list. And here there will be the listed items down below, but right now this section is empty, as you can see. Here at the top of the screen you can see this box saying add to your list with Alexa. So simply say Alexa, add headphones to my wish list with any Alexa enabled device. So if you tap on manage your list settings, you can select Alexa functions, such as Alexa can add items to your list. Anyone with access to your Alexa devices can add items, but Alexa won't read the items of your list. You can also select the second option, such as Alexa can add items and read your list, meaning that anyone can access Alexa to add items, and Alexa can also read items on your list. And the last option is don't manage this list through Alexa. So accessing your list will not be possible through Alexa. However, Alexa may still send you notifications about deals unless you disable these notifications. Here you should select other information, such as privacy. So now it's set to private, but you can also set it to public or shared. If you scroll down, you have other options, such as the list is for you or an organization. Here you can type in the name of the recipient, email address, your birthday, description, shipping address, and here you have two other options, such as keep purchased items on this list or don't spoil my surprises. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you want to save these changes, tap on the Save Changes button. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.